Hey there, cheese lovers! Got some leftover ricotta cheese and no idea what to do with it? I've got two absolutely delicious recipes that will make that ricotta the star of the show. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, a creamy, dreamy ricotta cheese pasta bake. You'll need 250 grams of leftover ricotta, 300 grams of pasta, 1 can of tomatoes, a clove of garlic, a handful of fresh basil, and of course some salt and pepper. Cook your pasta until just al dente, then drain it and set it aside. In a pan, saute the garlic in olive oil until it's fragrant. Add the tomatoes and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Mix the ricotta, salt, pepper, and basil into the sauce, then combine everything with the pasta. Pour it all into a baking dish, sprinkle with mozzarella, and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And now, on to our second dish, spinach and ricotta gnocchi. You'll need 200 grams of ricotta, 200 grams of spinach, 100 grams of flour, 1 egg, and a pinch of nutmeg. Start by blanching the spinach, then squeezing out all the water and chopping it finely. Mix the spinach, ricotta, flour, egg, nutmeg, salt, and pepper in a bowl until it forms a dough. Roll the dough into small balls, and then press them slightly with a fork to create those classic gnocchi ridges. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and drop the gnocchi in. They're done when they float to the top, which should take about 3 minutes. Serve them with your favorite sauce. A simple tomato sauce or brown butter and sage both work beautifully. There you have it. 2 easy, scrumptious meals that will make your leftover ricotta shine. I hope you give these recipes a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy cooking, cheese lovers!